So in this video I'm going to be making some Whirligig templates. I just finished building or restoring and making a new plain Whirligig. So rather than throw these out, what I want to do is make templates of them. And I got a sheet of plexiglass here to make the templates out of, so some nice free scrap plexiglass. And then next up is a Whirligig duck. So I've got a small printout there and then a blown up version that I will cut out and template out of the plexiglass for my next project. But first things first, we're gonna save what we can of this one and template it, so we'll have it for the future, and then I'll make the template of the duck. Alright, so I've got this taped so it'll be a little easier to see, and then when I go over it with the skill saw later, I won't scratch it all up. The plexiglass has some good bounce, so as long as I'm supporting it, this seems to be working out pretty well. So the skill saw seemed to work pretty good. Next step is going to be to peel out the tape and sand a little bit. And then label everything. Alright, should be pretty easy to work with. Alright, well that's it for this one. We've got one airplane template based on an existing Whirligig, duck template based on these plans that I found online, and I will link to those, that way you guys can find them as well. And in an upcoming video I am going to put this duck template to use. That's going to be my next build. So stick around for that one, and leave a comment if you found this helpful.